Okay, so today I want to show you an important concept in Forex trading, which is change of character. So I am going to show you what a change of character means in Forex. So before you will spot a change of character, there must be a trend. And we know in Forex, there is an uptrend which goes like this. Price will move up, form a high, comes back to form another low, but this low that is formed cannot go below this previous low. Okay, and then price will move to go and break this high again to form another high point, and then it will pull back again. This pulling back will not come below this other previous low, and then you will see another low will be formed, and it will go up again and push to go and break past this other high and create a new high, and then a pullback will occur. When you see the market doing all these things, this is an uptrend. And what it means is these parts are called, this is a high. So when another high is formed higher than this previous high here, you call this high a higher high. So this one too is a higher high. And this one is a low. So when another low is formed but is higher than the previous low, you now say this is a higher low. Okay, this one too is a higher low. So when the market is forming higher highs, and higher highs, and also higher lows, and higher lows, you are in an uptrend. So what you are using a change of character to do is you want to spot a point of reversal where the market is changing the trend. So if in an uptrend you are seeing a higher high being formed, higher highs being formed, but then a change of character occurs, and instead of this market moving upwards again, it may form something like this. It will try to go up. Remember, it should form another high up here, but rather it will not go above this high. It will return at this point somewhere here, and then it will come and break low. So it will start forming lows and breaking them. So instead of breaking highs like the way it will break this high to form another high, break it to form another high, rather the market is going to reverse when a change of character occurs. And when that happens, it will start breaking the lows that initially it was finding difficult. So this low here was not broken. This other one here was not broken. This other one here was not broken. And this other one here was not broken. But when the market reverses its trend, a change of character occurs. So it will start breaking those points that it was unable to break before. So you will see something like this happening. When you see this happens, a change of character has occurred in the market. And the point for the change of character is this neckline, this point where it started breaking the lows. So this is the point that you called a change of character, and it is represented. Let me represent it for you. Some people represent it like this. Okay, change of character. This is how you see it, change of character. So whenever a change of character occurs, it's telling you that the market is changing its direction or is reversing the trend that it has initially created. Remember, there is no any trend that will last forever. So if it is in an uptrend, there will be a point where it will reverse to go in a downtrend. And this is what happens. And once that happens, you are to spot it. You can wait at the point of the change of character. You can wait around there with a pending order, and you will start selling because the market should start pushing downwards. That is how you trade change of character in Forex trading. Now, I have explained this with an illustration. Let me show you in reality. Okay, now we have this market over here. So I'm going to delete this for clarity, just for our chart to be clean. So we have this market over here. You can see that the market has moved up, and then there was a pullback or a hesitation. It moved up again, and then there is a pullback. So you expect it to continue to go as that. Let it continue to go in that trend. That direction of the trend is very important. Okay. So we want it to move up and be breaking highs. These are the highs. So it will, any high that has been formed, the market will break it. Any high that has been formed, the market will break it. Like that, it will continue. So when this happens, the market is in an uptrend, just as I explained earlier on. But when this market decides to reverse around a point like this and start breaking these lows here now, we will now say a change of character has occurred around this point, and we will just wait for the price to come back and retest that point where the change of character occurs, and you can enter manually or with a pending order, because it may happen in the night when you may be sleeping. So you can enter with a pending order over here. If you don't know what pending orders are, there are different types of pending orders: buy stops, sell limit, buy limit, and a lot of them. I have made videos about them. The video should appear at the top right hand corner right now. You can now wait for it at the point where the change of character occurs, and you will enter for a sell. Now the market is not expected to go above this point again, so that will be your point of stop loss. You are going to put your stop loss just above that point, and you take your entry here and you aim for 1 to 2 till you have something that is more than 1. Okay, that is how you trade these things. Now, one thing again is that there is nothing that is a must that it must happen 100% accurate in Forex. So that you are waiting for the pending order with the pending order at the place where the change of character occurs does not mean that price must return back to that point. Sometimes it will break it and it will continue to go down without actually retracing or pulling back to that point where the change of character occurs. So it's left for you to decide. You can enter immediately at the break of it, just that it may come back, reverse, and even enter deep again, deep into that before pulling backwards. So it depends. Now, sometimes if you wait for it around here, it will never come back. Sometimes when you wait, it can even come pull back inside deeper. So it depends on whether you want to wait for the market, because if you wait, it will give you more and you risk less, as you can see. But then sometimes it won't come back. So this, I can't be the one to tell you what to do when this happens. You are going to make decisions in Forex yourself. Okay. So if you don't want to be missing the opportunities upon the break or the change of character, just enter. Just that your stop loss is going to be wide, then you adjust your lot size so that you are risking the same amount that you want to be risking per trade. Even if you were to wait here, you adjust the stop loss so that you risk the same amount in every trade. Okay. So now I am going to play this market for you to see when this change of character occurs, and I will spot that. Now this is for an uptrend. There is that for a downtrend as well. So let me play this market to see. You can see it has broken to form another high again. So another higher high has been formed. It has broken already. So maybe it will go to break another high again. It has broken again. It has broken this high again. So it is continuing with the trend. Now you can see what is happening. Something has happened in the market now. Okay. We were expecting the price to what? To continue. Now, for you to spot that that is the point where a change of character is likely to happen, imagine the distance between this high that was formed. Look at the distance between the highest point here that was formed and this other high. Is far, is a bit high. So from this point to this point, there is about 41 pips. About 41 pips. You can see again, from this high that was formed to this other high here, this is about 18 pips. But you can see again that at this high that was broken to this other high that was broken, look at it, just 3 pips. So it means that whenever a change of character wants to occur, the distance between the highs will keep reducing. It will keep reducing. And once it reduces and you see a change of character occur, such as this, market has changed its direction. There's a reversal. So there's a change of character right now, and this is the spot. So we are going to take our entry around this point. When market gets to this point, just enter around that point. You can enter and then set your stop loss above this previous high, and you aim for more than one. Now let's see how it will play out. You can see it went deep inside first. You can see how it's even going deeper. That's why I told you sometimes you can wait for the market. So wherever the change of character occurs, you enter with a pending order around that place. You wait for it with a pending order around that place. Or if you want to still enter deeper again, such as this neckline again, you can wait for it around that place. But whatever, your stop loss should be above the high that was created. It should be there. And you could see as we entered, we had some losses before it came and broke and continue. So in this case, this market should continue selling downwards because it has now broken this other low now. So it should continue selling downwards. Even if it retraces, it shouldn't go above this point. It shouldn't go above this other high that has been created, because from now on, the direction now, instead of going up now, is in a downtrend now. It will come down, it will now go up, pull back, it will now come break, and then pull back. It shouldn't be going to any high that it has created already and then be going downwards like that. It will be pulling back, be going downwards like that. So that is what a change of character is. And you can see how it happens in a real chart. Now let us go on and see what happens to the market. You can see it's pulling backwards now. It's pulling backwards. Now you can see something about Forex trading. If you don't know, when you see this market moving upwards like this, giving you a loss again, because you entered here, you had some loss, it gave you profit. It is coming back again inside. That's a pullback, giving you another loss. If you are not willing to risk what you were risking, it's most likely that you will exit this trade out of fear. So whenever you are trading, understand what you are doing and your strategy, understand it very well, because market doesn't move in one direction. It will continue to move up and down, up and down. So you will be having those movements like that. Okay, so you shouldn't be afraid if you know what you are doing. So what is happening now is that it is forming these lower highs, and lower highs as it goes down. That is what happens in a downtrend, but then it shouldn't go back. Now this high has been formed. For you to know this is the highest point is because this other low now has been broken. So if it has been broken, price shouldn't go back to this even previous high again, even though it can still pull back again inside. And if you use a Fibonacci strategy now, you will see that these points are around 0.618 or 0.5, the golden zones. They are inside the golden zones. Okay, so we are expecting price to push down to reach somewhere here for us. Let's see what will happen. We can see now we have hit our TP. This shows you what change of character is in Forex trading and how to trade change of character in Forex trading. It's very easy, but make sure that you know the points very well. If you have any question regarding this, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.